here, they will put down all their stocks here, their raw material for aluminium. And over here, we have Hachu and doing a lot of the drawings. So they will draw a lot of the drawings for the aluminum kitchen cabinet as well. You can see there's so many different types of machines, and all of the machines are all done by digital. All the boards are all here being cut. After they cut, they actually come by here, they check on their dimensions before they proceed to the next one. Next on, all of these are all the different types of machines that they cut, and all with safety procedures as well as in digital. Once they measure, they place it all in right there, and they cut it by simply pushing a button without any manpower to cut. 1, 2, 3, magic!
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.